Ever wondered what our world will look like when robots are as common as smartphones? Picture this. You wake up not to an alarm, but to the gentle hum of your personal robot opening the curtains. A fresh coffee already brewed just the way you like it. As you step outside, self-driving pods glide silently down the streets, while delivery drones zip through the sky like busy bees. In hospitals, robotic surgeons perform delicate operations with superhuman precision, saving more lives than ever before. At home, our robotic companions help with chores, teach our kids, and even offer companionship to the elderly. This isn't science fiction. It's the future we're building right now. A world where technology frees us up to focus on what truly matters: creativity, connection, and exploring new frontiers. What part of this robotic future are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more glimpses into tomorrow.